Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Ecwid for automotive parts and accessories business. So as we know, Ecwid is a tool that helps people make online stores. It's like a special computer program that lets you sell things on the internet. It's easy to use and can be added to websites or social media pages. So if you wanna sell things online, Ecwid can help you do it without too much trouble. So the first thing here, you have to start for free. Okay, so get started. Now it will take you to the dashboard, and here we're gonna set up and set up your website in the storefront. So as you see here, this is your dashboard. Okay, so click here, set up your website in the storefront, and it will take you to the editor page. So the first thing here you have to do, go to the settings, go to the templates, and select the templates which you want to use. So for the automotive parts and accessories, okay, I'm gonna choose this one here for the auto topic. So the first thing here you have to do, go to the header in the menu. You have to change the size. You can keep it if you like it, if it's much with your business. So I'm gonna change it. Okay, let's go back. Here you can manage this navigation menu, the store and the about section and the contact section and the design of any section. Here you have to try your best to make your site looks attractive to anyone can visit your site and attract to your business or your services. So make sure don't forget the simple details like the site logo here, like the font, okay, like the size, the color. So the simple details is more important to anyone to make your site looks attractive. Okay, just like this. Let's go back. Let's move on now to the next, the content, the cover and the headline. Add your tagline. Here you can keep just this title here, an attractive description that matches with the title. For example, you can type "We are" or "Welcome to introduce your website." For example, you can type "Welcome to our site for automotive parts and accessories." Okay, just like this. If you want to change the image, go to the browser or from your library and change it. The design, the same thing. Choose your favorite one. Just make sure don't forget this simple detail, it's more important. Okay, the description, the same thing here. I'm gonna change the font and change the size. Okay, that's it. Now let's go back. Let's move on now to the next section. So the same thing as normal, add the title and the subtitle and the description. So in the description here, you can talk about your experience or your service, your story, your why should your customers buy from you or use your services. Okay, and the design here, you can choose your favorite layout and don't forget the simple details. Okay, now let's move on to the next. So here in the store section you have to create your product. So go back to the dashboard and add your products or services. Okay, now click new product. So here you have to add the products gallery. So go to the browser or from your library to add the image of your product. So search on, for example, automotive parts and accessories. Okay, uh, okay, so I'm gonna choose one of these images here. um, I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, now go back and open this image here. You can add 3 more or 4 more images. So here, add the name of your products, you have the weight on kilogram, the prices. Here you can customize the prices options, and don't forget the description of your product. That's it. So if you done from this section, go back to the editor and go here to complete the design of the background and the title, the product name, the product image, and the product price. Now let's go back and let's move on now to the next section, the image section. So here, the same thing as normal. Add the tagline and the title, the description. If this image match with your business, you can just keep it just like this. It's beautiful image here. The layout, choose your favorite one. Okay, that's it. Now let's go back, let's move on now to the next. Here you can use this space to talk about your typography, who you are, and your relationship with your business, with the cars or with the automotive parts. So you can talk about your experience. That's it. If you want to change the image, of course you have to change it. You have to change your name here. All the description, you have to change it here. That's it. Choose your favorite layout and the design, and that's it. Now let's go back. Now let's move on to the next section. You can use this description here. We are always happy to see you. Okay, if you want to change the image, you can change it. Here you have to add your business address. You can enter the exact postal address or the plus code. You can enter here the daily hours, and don't forget the phone and the email, the contact information, and the social profiles. The design, it's better to choose this layout of the map here. It's more important and more clear to anyone. That's it. Now let's move on to the last section here. Enter your company name for the copyright. Okay, if you want to add something new, just click here, add section, and you can select what kind of section you want to add on your homepage. So that's it for today. If you're done from here, publish your website. Now you can't your site will be published. You can start your business and start selling. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.